If you're someone who lives on your phone, you know the absolute horror of a cracked screen. It's like your whole world is suddenly thrown into chaos. This is Alex's story, a tale of despair turned into triumph. One sunny morning, Alex was strolling down the street, phone in hand, enjoying the beautiful day. The birds were chirping, the sun was shining, and everything seemed perfect. But then, bam! Out of nowhere, the phone slipped from Alex's grasp. The screen shattered in slow motion, each crack spreading like a spider web across the glass. It was as if time itself had slowed down to emphasize the disaster. It felt like the whole world came crashing down. Alex stood there, staring at the broken screen, feeling a mix of shock and despair. How could something so small cause such a big problem? Suddenly, Alex was reminiscing about all those memories stored on the device, laughing with friends, adorable pets, epic travels. Each photo, each message, each song held a piece of Alex's life. But now the screen was glitching and then blackout. The phone was unresponsive, a lifeless piece of technology, total despair. Alex felt a wave of panic and frustration. What about all those important contacts, the work emails, the irreplaceable photos? Alex sat alone, stressed, with faded memories floating around. It was a moment of helplessness, a feeling that many of us know all too well. But then a friend noticed and had the perfect solution, Anthony the phone fixer. This friend had been in a similar situation and knew exactly what to do. Bingo! Alex's eyes lit up with hope. Maybe, just maybe, all was not lost. Alex was shown the phone fixer's Facebook page and hope started to flicker. The reviews were glowing, filled with stories of miraculous repairs and happy customers. Next thing you know, Alex was meeting Anthony, the friendly tech wizard. Anthony greeted Alex with a warm smile and a reassuring nod, ready to tackle the challenge. Watching Anthony work was like magic. Broken screen fixed, dead battery revived. His hands moved with precision and confidence, each step bringing the phone back to life. Speaker and mic, good as new. Anthony's expertise was evident in every detail, ensuring that the phone was not just repaired, but restored to its former glory. Finally, Alex got the phone back and, wow, it was like holding a brand new device. The screen was flawless, the battery strong, and everything worked perfectly. Eyes lit up, everything was restored. Alex's face beamed with joy and relief, knowing that all those precious memories were safe. Photos, messages, music, all back like nothing ever happened. It was a moment of pure happiness, a reminder of how important our devices are in our daily lives. Alex was walking down the street again, but this time with a bounce in their step. The confidence was back, and life felt normal once more. Taking selfies, FaceTiming friends, and living life confidently. The phone was more than just a device. It was a connection to the world. Remember, Phone Fixer is all about bringing phones back to life and exceeding expectations every time. Anthony's dedication and skill make him the go-to person for any phone-related issues. So, if your phone's in trouble, you know who to call. Don't let a cracked screen or a dead battery ruin your day. Reach out to Anthony, the phone fixer, on 99080099 and let him work his magic. His number is 99080099. Call him now or save his number for when you need. Have a great day.